Okay, so in previous class, we discussed about the different kind of list classes. Those are array list and linked list and vector, as well as set defined classes. Those are hash list and linked hash list. Sorry, hash set, linked hash set, and tree set. So these are the some of the free defined classes. Based upon our requirement, we have to use the certain collection interface that will help us to achieve our goal. Like ultimate goal of all the collections is data manipulation, but based upon our requirement we have to select. So as we discussed, actually we have discussed about each and every collection class advantage actually. So based upon that advantage, we have to select which which class or interface that we have to use for a specific requirement. Perfect. So now we are trying to discuss about the iterator and a list iterator. These are the two interfaces that we will use to iterate the elements. So what we did in earlier classes, we are printing entire list object or set object. So if I wanted to iterate, means I wanted to print one by one element which are present in the array list or linked list or vector. So how we can do that? So what is the predefined class or interface that is Java is offering to achieve that? That's what we're trying to discuss in this class. So in this class, we are trying to discuss about the iterator. So I'm trying to tell you what is the iterator and what is the benefits that we will get with the iterator. So what I'm trying to show you is, so first of all, what I'm trying to show, I wanted to define a array list string is equal to or L equals to new array list. Okay, in this class I have multiple elements. Okay, let's suppose I have multiple elements. Al dot add string or al dot add neon, al dot add money, al dot add money, al dot add receipt. Okay, so this is iterator. Okay, so we have declared an array list, and what I'm trying to show you is iterator. How iterator works, we'll try to discuss here. So now if I print here, if I print AL here, you can see what will happen. If I print AL, it will print the list of elements that is present in the AL, right? But what I'm exactly looking for is, for example, in this list, I just wanted to find out how many duplicates is there, or else I wanted to convert lowercase to uppercase. Then I need individual elements to perform the certain operations. Means we have to iterate that. So we have to print one by one to do the any more modifications. Here we can do the addition, subtraction and all. But we wanted to convert lowercase to uppercase or reversing a specific elements that is present in the array list. So what we have to do first, we have to iterate, we have to print one by one value. How we can do that? Okay, so now let me write the syntax for it. Iterator, and here I will tell you itr equals to al dot iterator. So why I am declaring like this, I will tell you first. Here, this is the syntax for declaring the iterator. Let me introduce more about iterator now. So iterator is an interface. First of all, it is an interface. So if it is a class array list, AL equals to new array list, that's how we declared. We can create an object. Where for interface we cannot create it. So here if you see, this is an interface. Okay, this is an interface. If you see the syntax of this class, predefined class, which is compiled file, public interface iterator. It is an interface first. Okay, ITR equals to AL dot iterator. Perfect. So now we will try to understand what is this syntax all about. Iterator is an interface. So this is a free-defined class. So whatever if it is a generic type, whatever the objects that is present in the array list or linked list or vector, the same class we have to extend in the iterator. This is an object, first in interface, and if it is an integer, in this syntax, it should be an integer. If it is a boolean, in this syntax, it should be a boolean, right? Next, ITR is an object. AL is a collection object, which one we are trying to iterate it. If it is a linked list, LL dot iterator. If it is vector, V dot iterator. If it is set dot iterator. So the implementation of this method, we will use it from the array list. Since it is an array list, the implementation will be present in the array list. For iteration, we will use the same. So if you can see the syntax, array list dot iterator is the free-defined method, which we will use to iterate. Means all the elements we have to print one by one. So if we wanted to iterate, we can use the iterator is the free-defined method. When we wanted to iterate the array list, we will use the implementation which is present inside the array list. When we wanted to iterate the linked list, we will use linked list dot iterator. It is an object actually, so it will refer the free-defined class which one we are trying to iterate it. Since we are iterating array list, if you click on here, you can see java util dot array list dot iterator. This is the syntax. Now, while okay, ITR dot has next. ITR dot has next. I will tell you, no worries, what is while and all. Okay, next system dot out dot println ITR dot next. All right, let me print and let me show you what is happening here. Okay, it is printing the one by one value which is present in the array list. Here, couple of things that we have to understand is what is the return type of this has next. Has next return type is boolean. So what will happen is, if this having the multiple values, each and every time, first it will by default string one value is present, it will return true. Again it is present, it will return true. Again it is present, it will return true. Again it is present, it will return true. Now we don't have the object, then it will return false. Then this loop will be terminated. The moment it returns false, the loop will be terminated. So what I'm trying to show you now is, I will print the value of the specific one. So that is ITR dot has next. As next is the free-defined method which will use it to check whether next element is present or not. You can see first true string, true Nehan, true money, true Rishi, and the next one it will return the false. The moment it return the false, it will not come to this loop, nothing will be executed. So now you are clear with what is has next. Has next is the free defined class which is from the iterator interface. Here you can see it is belongs to iterator, java util dot iterator interface having the has next free defined method, and return type of this method is boolean. So it will return true when there is a next element or more element. If the element is not present, it will return false, then it will not come to the loop, it will terminate. Well, now what is the use of has next? Next is a free-defined method which is belongs to java util dot iterator, and it will help us to find or print the next element. So here you can get the next element. So the moment there is no next element, it will stop executing. So until unless you have the elements, it will print it, right? This is called the iterator. Iterator is an interface which we will use to iterate the collection object, either array list or linked list, vector, set, hash set, linked hash set, tree set, everything can be iterated through the iterator interface. Okay, iterator is the predefined class. Every collection class will have the implementation based upon which collection object that we are implementing. So that implementation will be called itr.hasNext. HasNext is the predefined method. The return type of hasNext is a boolean. Until unless we have the more values or elements, it will print the true value. If there is a no elements, then it will print the false value. itr.next is the predefined method. Next will return the next value from the collection object. So this is called the iterator. Well done. If I wanted to print this in a reverse order, first we see Rishi, Mani, Nihan, string. So this is not possible with iterator since we don't have any other predefined method apart from the hasNext. So what will be the alternate? How we can do that? So that is called list iterator. So list iterator. So list iterator is a predefined interface which we will use to iterate only list objects, list collection object. It will only applicable for list collection object. So it is only applicable for list collection object. It will not applicable for the remaining like set, map, nothing can be iterate using the list iterator. So let me define the syntax first and how we can define basically list iterator. Okay, list iterator string okay, L equals to L dot list iterator. Okay, so let me comment out this code for time being. Now, so we'll see. As we discussed, basically list iterator is the interface which is extends the string class because the collection object which we are trying to iterate, that is the array list which is extends the string. Because of that we are using the string. L is an object. The collection object which we wanted to iterate, that is L dot list iterator is a predefined method which is having the implementation inside the array list. Right now, while L dot has next and system dot out dot println L dot next. Right. So now while L dot as previous. Okay. Here system dot out dot println L dot previous. So now you can see what will happen. String Nihan, Mani, Rishi, Mani, Nihan string. The first is forward direction and the next is a reverse direction. So hasNext, as we discussed in the iterator, the return type of this is boolean and it will allow us to find the next element. Until unless you get the next element, it will print the true, returns the true, then it will come to the loop. Whatever the statement that you are added, that will be printing. So here we are printing the value of that element, that's why printing. If you wanted to add some logic, that can be done. means you can do dot, do uppercase, do lowercase, or character of I, anything that you can perform it. Okay, so you can perform any operations to uppercase, maybe, right? So it will print the uppercase values, right? So you can perform anything. So here I'm just printing time being, but you can perform any manipulation if you wanted to, right? It is forward direction. It is trying to fetch the next element and next element until unless has next returns the false, that will keep on printing all the values, or if you're writing some statement, that will keep on executing that statement. Now has previous we are trying to discuss. Has previous is the predefined method which will help us to print the last value, last to first. First it will print the last value, next before last and before last and before last, until the first elements comes in, it will print again and again and again. So when it will return false, if you don't have any elements on the zero index, then it will return false, then this loop will be terminated. Right? So this is how has previous will work. Now, very important thing is, what is the difference between iterator and list iterator? Very important thing. List iterator. So first one, iterator is an interface and list iterator also an interface. Both are having the interfaces. And second one, iterator we can use to iterate any of the collection object. We can iterate any collection object, where list iterator we can use to list collection object. That means list means array list, linked list, vector. These are the list collection object, where it will not allow any other collection objects. And next important thing is, it will only forward direction. It will be both forward and reverse direction. Very important point. So this will do the forward and reverse direction. And now very important point that you have to do is, you have to test it for the array list, linked list, and vector for both iterator and list iterator, and you have to practice it for the set also, for linked hash set and a tree set and hash set, tree set, and linked hash set. These are the three predefined classes from the set. You have to practice it for these three classes also, right? So then you will be able to understand, and you try to use this list iterator for the set, then you will get the compile time error, and it will says that, boss, you are trying to iterating the set using the list iterator. That is not possible. My role is used to only iterate the list collection objects only. That is means array list, linked list, and vector.